Okay, I'm back again. Okay, we're doing a review for the exam. Okay, so now if I need to graph something, let's say I need to graph f of x is equal to x squared minus 1. All you have to do here is graph some points, right? So you can draw a chart here with some points. This is x, this is f of x. So you plot some points. You can select them based on how you believe the graph is going to behave. So we always start with a point 0. I mean, you don't have to do that, but it's good to start with 0. So 0 is in the domain. 0 squared minus 1 is minus 1. Okay, so let's pick another one. 1. 1 squared is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, how about 2? 2 to the squared is 4. Minus 1 is 3. Okay, let's pick another one. 3. 3 to the squared is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay, looks like we see something interesting here. It goes from -1 to 0, from 0 to 3, from 3 to 8. Now let's try -1. -1 to the squared is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, so -1 is 0. Okay, let's try -2. -2 times -2 gives us a 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, we can try -3 here. -3 times -3 is 9. 9 minus 1 is 8. So that's pretty much what we need to have to kind of determine the shape of this graph. We don't need an excessive number of points, right? So at 0, we have -1. So 0, when x is 0, we have -1, right? When x is 0, I'm sorry, I have this backward. 0, it is -1. Here's my point. Don't look at this one, that's wrong. Okay? At 1, when x is 1, the point is 0. At 2, it is 3. So 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, at 3, it is 8. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. So we're going to go up 8. So way up there. Well, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I was close there. Okay. At -1, at -1 it is 0, so this is a good point, right? At -1 it's 0. At -2 it's 3. -2, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. And -3 it's 8. So -3 here, -1, -2, -3. We're going to go up 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we are here. So here's our graph. It looks like this. So we do a little arrow here, showing that how it's going. Okay, here's your graph. Make sure you know how to do that. Okay, I have a couple more minutes here before my 10 minutes expires. So let's look at a graph of an absolute value function. F of x is equal to the absolute value of x plus 3. Right? Again, you would do the same thing. I'm not going to graph this one, but I'll go ahead and plot some points for you. Right? So you pick x in the domain. F of x will give you the range. So when x is 0, 0 plus 3 is 3. Absolute value is 3. Right? 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. The absolute value of 4 is 4. 2. 2 plus 2 here. 2 plus 3 is 5. The absolute value of 5 is 5. 3. Okay. 3 plus 3 is 6. The absolute value of 6 is 6. Let's try -1. -1 plus 3 is 2. The absolute value of 2 is 2. -2. -2 plus 3 is 1. The absolute value of 1 is 1. -3. -3 plus 3 is 0. The absolute value of 0 is 0. Let me just draw one more point here. So negative 4. Negative 4 plus 3 is negative 1. So negative 4 plus 3, that's negative 1. The absolute value of negative 1 is 1. Okay? So now what you need to do is go ahead and graph this. I'm just going to, let's see, let me just go ahead and graph a couple of points here. 0, 3. So when x is 0, y is 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? When x is 0, y is 3. When x is 1, y is 4. Okay, we're going to go up 4. Okay, when x is 2, y is 5. So we're going to go here, 5. Again, 3 is 6. I'm not going to graph that one. Negative 1, it is 2. There you go. Negative 2, it is 1. Negative 2, it is 1. Okay, negative 3, it is 0. Okay, negative 4, it goes up again. It goes here. So I think it's going to do this. So here is the graph. And you can keep plotting some points. If you do not know where to go next, you can try the point negative 5 and continue until you have a shape of the graph. Okay, I'm going to end this one here.